National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Bibb County in central Georgia, southeastern Jasper County in central Georgia, Jones County in central Georgia, western Creeks County in central Georgia, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. At 8:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Macon, Gray, Clinton, Postal, Bradley, Wayside, Cross Keys, Richmondville, Round Oak, Franklinton, Gerald Plantation, Dry Branch, Hillsborough, Hubert, Advocate, and Bullard. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.